Hi, I'm really excited to show you this 4-in-1 charging cord or charging cable I just got. It is a fantastic value. It's really durable and sturdy. It's made of this flat braid cable so that it's anti-tangle, so you don't have to worry about it getting all knotted and twisted. And what's fantastic is it has a USB-A port or interface or connector, but you just easily pop and flip. And now we have a USB-C connector. And on the other side, we have a lightning connector for iPhones and such, iPhones, iWatches, but top, we have a USB-C. So many different options, so really accommodating. So if you want to charge like this reading light, I can very easily plug in the USB side and plug in the USB-C side. Ta-da! But on this, and then on this very same charger, I can switch it back to the lightning cord and charge an iPhone. Ta-da! So it's really fast charging, super convenient. Yeah, just a great buy all around. Instead of having to have all these different charger cords, you can have one and charge your tablets, your smartphones, your smartwatches, your laptops, your electric toothbrushes, all of them. And it's 5 feet long. Very long.